Welcome back, and if you're new here, this is Hitman's Bonsai Journey. Today we're going to go up to the garden centre and see what we can find up there. Right, let's go. Right, we're back at Perryfields to get some bonsai material, hopefully. Right, let's go. Looks like they got rid of most of it. They had Christmas trees here. That's what most of it's gone. But what I'm looking at is over there. So see, most of it's gone. Getting ready for the new year. Some nice ones here. What have we got here? Christmas trees. Some nice big ones here. £140 that is. It's nice, isn't it? Some nice ones there. Let's have a look at this one. Let's have a look at. This is what I'm sort of looking at. I'm trying to get in here. These are fucking prickly as fuck. It's a nice trunk, but we're going to have to put a fucking bend in it. And it's a bit too upright, that is, for me. I'm sure I'll be able to do it. Let's keep looking. See if I can find a younger one. They're too upright, really. And I'll be able to do something with it. Right, let's go and have a look over here. There he is. Bring me some money, baby. Bring me some money. This one's been imported by the looks of it. Not sure where it's been imported from, but I think we're going to get that one. Alright, put that one back. I'm not going to lie. I forgot my wallet, I left it in the car. I can't be bothered to walk all the way back to get it. So I'm going to go off to Popular Nurseries. I know they've got some in there as well, so we're going to have a look at that one. It's good to do on a Sunday. Nothing else to do. Right, let's do it. Right, we're back at Popular Nurseries. I've got my wallet this time, but it looks like they've packed a lot of the stuff away. I know they did have a lot of Christmas trees out, so they probably got them out to get the rest of the plants out. Let's have a look, see if I can find anything I want. Let's see. It's quite bare. If that come down like that, that might be a bit better. There we go. See, it's quite bare. Let's have a look about that. So a lot of the fucking, these are normally packed with it, but they've got hardly nothing there. Very big ones here. No, it wasn't as big as the one I was looking at, the other one, but we might have a winner here. I'm trying to look inside there, but it's a bit prickly, so. I feel one there. And I can always bend these about. Right. That's one. And they've got loads of other ones here. It's a twin trunk by the looks of it. But that doesn't matter. Just have to get some of that foliage out of inside there to see what we're working with. Prickly as fuck, oh mate. Damn. I think I'm going to go with this one here. So I'm going to put that one back. Take this one with me. Let's have a look, see if I can find anything else. If you lot see anything why I'm doing this, put a comment in the comment section and tell me to come back and get it. These are more hedging. It says out there as well. Let's have a look down here. So there's not a lot about around here. They must be getting ready to put the new stuff out. Right, let's pay for this and go home. Right, that was a good day. I've got a nice juniper. Apparently it's called a golden shower. Meant something back in the day when I was younger, but I don't think that's what it means. Let's have a look. There we go. We have just got... You can get in there a little bit. It looks like a twin trunk, which I can bend and shape the way I want it. And this is going to be a good project. I've got a pot over there to put it in. I know it's a small pot, but I think that'll look good with that in it. So, right, I went back up there and got the big one. Let's have a look. It's a little bit too big for me Kubota. I might have to do it on the table. Let's get in a bit closer and have a look. Still a bit prickly. We've got to clean all that stuff up inside there. But it looks like it's got 3 main uprights. Look at that, it's massive. We also got that pot to put it in. So, I know I'm doing a few more videos this week, but I'm off work. Any excuse, eh? That's it. So we've got 2 plants, a pot, and a plan for next year, which is going to be interesting. Right, YouTube's going to put a video here, and I hope to see you again. All right, bye.